This is Ms. Mowal, your science teacher, and I have prepared for you an instructional media on the periodic table of the elements. I hope you will find this video helpful. Let's review some background information first. Elements are a type of pure substances that cannot be broken down by chemical means. An example is cobalt. Compounds are pure substances made up of two or more elements that are chemically bonded. An example is sulfur sulfate. Elements can be found in everything around us. For example, a cell phone contains many elements. In the electronics section of the cell phone, you will find copper, silver, gold, and tantalum. The casing of a cell phone includes carbon, magnesium, bromine, and nickel. The screen contains many elements that include indium, oxygen, tin, and aluminum. A battery of a cell phone contains lithium, cobalt, carbon, aluminum, and oxygen. Elements can be classified into three categories: metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. Metals are solids at room temperature. They have luster, they are malleable, ductile, and are good conductors of heat and electricity. An example is zinc. Nonmetals are gases, liquids, or solids. They are dull, brittle, not ductile, and poor conductors of heat and electricity. An example is sulfur. Metalloids are solids at room temperature. They can be dull or shiny, brittle, not ductile, and poor conductors of heat, but some may conduct electricity. An example is silicon. The periodic table of the elements is an arrangement of all the elements according to their atomic number. A Russian chemist, Mendeleev, designed this table in 1869. It contains 118 elements. The periodic table is arranged into number 1, periods, which are horizontal rows. There are 7 periods. Number 2, groups, which are vertical columns. There are 18 groups. Groups are vertical columns, and periods are horizontal rows. Here are some names and characteristics of some groups. Alkali metals, group 1, react vigorously with many other substances. Alkaline earth metals, which are group 2, react vigorously with several substances. Halogens, group 17, react vigorously with nearly everything and are corrosive. Noble gases, group 18, unreactive with other substances due to their stable outer shell. The atomic structure of an atom consists of electron shells, which are regions around the nucleus of an atom where electrons can be found. A valence shell is the outermost shell. Valence electrons are the electrons in the outermost shell. Sodium atom has 11 electrons in total, 3 electron shells, and 1 valence electron. The electrons are found orbiting the nucleus. There are patterns in the atomic structure of elements in some groups. All elements in group 1 have 1 valence electron. For example, potassium. Elements in group 2 have 2 valence electrons, for example, in calcium. Elements in group 17 have 7 valence electrons, for example, in chlorine. And elements in group 18 have 8 valence electrons, for example, argon. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please come and see me in class.